Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homework Remodels, Coffee and Construction, Volume 2. We're so excited to be on this project, working through demolition that happened yesterday. They got all the bricks cleaned up. I'll show you pictures, and we've got a clean yard. It's so exciting. So you can see here the yard's all been cleaned up, so we can start with the concrete guy to come in and do the forms for the foundation and the footings. We moved the porta potty to the other side of the yard. Excellent. And you can see our temporary fence to keep all the space secure for the homeowners. You'll see over here we've got all this brick that we're working with. It's so awesome. They cleaned up a bunch of this brick and we've got it stacked really nicely so that when the concrete guys come back to do the patio, that they will have a bunch of recovered brick to be able to use. We've got a little shade structure here so that while people are working, they can come get a little relief from the sunshine. You can see we were having a beautiful sunny day here in Phoenix, Arizona. But just to give you a little view around our space as we get started for construction this next week. This is going to turn into an amazing guest suite for these homeowners. We're so excited for it. Thank you again for joining us on Coffee and Construction. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you. You've got